Regulators are reportedly close to hitting Facebook with a record fine over the way it handles user data. And this comes as Silicon Valley more generally faces increased scrutiny from lawmakers over privacy violations. Julia Borston takes a closer look.
The Federal Trade Commission and Facebook are negotiating what would be the agency's largest ever fine in the billions of dollars. This according to the Washington Post. In March, the FTC began probing Facebook after the Cambridge Analytica scandal, which revealed 87 million users' data was inappropriately shared. In focus, Facebook's 2011 settlement with the FTC on charges that it deceived consumers. Violating its commitment to protect data could draw fines of up to $41,000 per user.
This company has, well over $40 billion in cash. So to pay a $3, $4, $5 billion fine, I don't think would be an issue for the company fundamentally, or for the stock, frankly.
But this comes as the Government Accountability Office recommends the passage of a federal internet privacy law and issued a report that found that over the last 10 years, most of the FTC's actions against companies for data privacy abuses did not include fines. Facebook issuing a statement saying it's cooperating with officials in the U.S., UK, and beyond. But this comes amid growing calls to regulate the tech giants.
We need to put some digital rules of the road into law when it comes to people's privacy.
Senator Amy Klobuchar is making regulating data privacy a centerpiece of her presidential run. She's among the 15 Democratic senators who introduced the Data Privacy Act in November. Meanwhile, in California, Governor Gavin Newsom this week introducing an unheard-of proposal that could have big implications for tech companies' bottom lines.
So I've asked my team to develop a proposal for a new data dividend for Californians, because we recognize your data has value and it belongs to you.
With so much potential regulation, analyst Mark Mahaney says Facebook's investment to protect consumers and prepare for regulation is weighing on returns.
All across the board, this business is less profitable than it was 2 years ago. I don't think it'll regain those profit levels that it had in the past.
Calls to protect consumer privacy reach across the aisle. Senator Marco Rubio introducing the American Data Dissemination Act last month. While we await details from the FTC's investigation, some analysts warn government regulation and possible censorship of site content could become more burdensome in coming years. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Julia Borston in Los Angeles.